Hey there! So, imagine you've been using your Seagate FireCuda 532 terabytes CP 2000 Gem 3A013 SSD since January 2022, and suddenly, you start facing a peculiar problem. Crystal Disk Mark is lightning fast, Crystal Disk Info gives the all clear, and writing files is a breeze. However, when you try to copy certain files from the SSD, some directories copy at a blazing 500 MBs, while others crawl at a total like 10 MBs. To add to the frustration, disk activity shoots to 100%, causing your system to hang. Quite a head scratcher, right? But worry not, we'll get to the bottom of this problem together. Now, let's delve into the solution. You might want to take a peek at the smart reports, paying close attention to attributes related to media errors and reallocations. If the smart report shows no red flags, it's time to investigate the age of those sluggish files. Data stored on an SSD can degrade over time due to phenomena like read disturbance and charge bleed, which can slow down access speeds. It's like a fine wine, older files may need a little extra care to shine. In essence, we've explored the ins and outs of your SSD woes. From checking smart reports to understanding why older files might be dragging their feet, you're now equipped to tackle this issue head-on. So, armed with this knowledge, go forth, troubleshoot like a pro, and may your SSD-related problems be a thing of the past. And hey, if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop us a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting, tech enthusiasts!